I'll show you that how you will import products from Amazon. For that, you have to go to dashboard like this, and then you will see a section saying that direct import Chrome extension. You have to click on it. After clicking on it, you will see that here it gives you the option to create your API key, and then you have to select generate new key here, and then you have to click on save the settings, and then you have to click on get the WZone direct import extension here. After clicking on it, you will be redirected to Google Chrome extensions, and you have to add it to Chrome. And after it downloads, and then you have to click on add the extension, and after it downloads, you have to give your this API key which you got here, and just paste it there, and I'll show you that how you can do it. Now as you can see, it has been installed, and you can see it right here. And then you have to go to WZone, your website basically, and then you have to reload it. And after you reload, you'll get a pop-up saying that do you want to authorize your WZone direct import extension, and then you have to just click on authorize, and then you can see that your website is successfully added. Then you have to reload again. After reloading it again, that it will ask you that if you want to reauthorize it, but for now we don't want to, and then you just want to click on this button and it will be closed. Now you have to go to the Amazon website, like it is Amazon. Our niche is related to mobile phones and electronics, so I'll go and just click on it on the mobiles and accessories, and then I'll choose whatever mobile or anything that I want to import. So let me go and just add some products. Like you can see the Samsung Galaxy M31, M21, and Redmi Note 8. So we'll just import these products. Now let me show you that how you can do that. Now as you are on this website and on this page, you will see this WZone direct import option. You have to click on this button, and you will see that you get Redmi Note 8 Pro electric blue 6 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. Now you will see that this product has 9 variations, and you can just import all the 9 variations in a single click. But right now we'll just import this variation only to our website. As you click on that cloud button, you will see that here comes your website name, and it will say that your product was successfully added, and then you have to click on close. Now let's go to Samsung Galaxy M31, and we'll import this too. After importing it, we'll go on our website and we'll change some text that was imported with everything, because we don't want the content to be plagiarized. Because if the content is plagiarized, Google doesn't rank it or promote it. So we'll go and change uh, texts, reviews, or the other things there. And let me show you how. So I have imported 3 products now, and let us go to our website and let us go to our products. And as you can see here, all of our products, 3 products that we have imported from Amazon, are being displayed right now. Now we are on our product section, and we can see that we have added 3 mobile phones to our website. And then let's go and edit this one. You have to hover over it and click on edit, and then you will get the option to edit the text, images, or whatever you need. Now as you can see that the description and the images related to the product has been imported to our website. Now you can see 6 images, and the size, name, variant, and everything has been imported. Now what we need to do is we need to edit the text or spin it a bit to just change the thing so that the content is not plagiarized anymore. Plagiarized content is copied content. So you have to click here. You can change the triple camera setup, which is very powerful, and you have to make changes like this to your whole page. And now as you have done the changes, you can see that the product main product image has been uploaded, and 6 secondary images too. Now you have to click on update here. Whenever you make a change, be sure to update it, otherwise the change that you will do will not be updated on your main website. Now you can see the permalink of your website here. You can click on it and see that how your product page looks like right now. You can see that there's a sidebar here, and this is your product page, which is looking very cool right now, and we'll make it even cooler. Now you can see here Samsung Galaxy M21 Midnight Blue, 4 GB RAM, and your Amazon in price, 48 megapixels, and whatever the features are. And you will see that the description is imported, and you will see the reviews also. Like, there are no reviews yet, but when your website grows, you will get reviews for each of products. Now you can see that you get options to tweet the product, share on Facebook, pin the product, and mail the product to anyone. Or you can just click and see the other products which are related to this and are imported on your website. Now I've added 7-8 products from Amazon to design our homepage, so we can see that how will our homepage look with those products. So for that you have to go to your dashboard. You can just click on your website name, and then you will be redirected to your dashboard. Then you have to go on pages, add new. After doing it, you will get an option to add a page. Now as it has opened, we have to name our page. So for right now, the name of our page will be home, and then you have to click on publish. Then after publishing it, you have to go and view your page. Right now you will see that your page has a sidebar and does not look that exciting. Yes, you can see that it has a sidebar here. You can see the breadcrumbs here. There's your page title. So we don't want our page to look like this. Now let's go and tweak in some settings to make it better. And now we'll be building our page with Elementor. You will see that we have came back to edit our page. Now as we are here, you have to go and you have to select the content layout to 100% full width, and then you have to go to title. You have to disable the page title, and then you have to select update here, and then we can just go to our website. Now you will see that your full page is just blank, so we get to create it with scratch from Elementor. Now you can see that you only see your website icon and nothing else.